Hello friends, this is Shantanu and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share one more feature of a Facebook group that is going to help you to improve the quality of your Facebook group and also control the spam activities of your Facebook group. So this is something called keyword alert in a Facebook group. So what we can do, let's go to the Facebook group first. So this is a Facebook group that I have created, the bloggers team. You can see the group here. So the group has right now more than 17,000 members. It's quite a big group and every day there are a lot of posts are coming and we need to moderate so many posts. But recently Facebook has introduced few good features with which we can at least get some sort of a control of the spam things. So for that, what we need to do, just go to the moderate group. Here you will find something called keyword alerts. Go there. Now what exactly is this? So if you set this up, a keyword alert will appear every time a member uses a keyword. You will be able to review the content containing that keyword and take action. Members won't know you have been alerted. So what you can do, how we can do that? So click on set this up. So you will be, so this is the option keyword alerts. Keyword alerts tell you when members use certain words or phrases. So what kind of phrases or what kind of spam? So for example, let's say somebody is trying to post something promotional. So let's say like contact me, or let's say DM me, or let's say buy, sell, promote, something. You just find out the list of keywords which are mostly used for a promotional or self-promotion purpose, and you want to get notified with those kind of posts. So whenever somebody posts something in the group and in the post there is something like, okay, contact me if you want to, let's say AdSense account with let's say $100, I can help you to get a free AdSense account, something. There are many people who are promoting a lot of things in the groups. Simply they will come and they will type something and they will try to sell some service. So if you do not want to post those kind of posts, definitely you can review manually, but when a group will grow large, it will be very difficult for you to manage like one by one all the posts. So you can set up this kind of keywords here. So after putting these kind of terms, you just click on add. So you see that this kind of terms has been added now. Now save the settings. It's done. Now let's go to moderate group again. Keyword alerts. So it is showing that you have no keyword alerts, because just now I have only provided the keywords. So now onward, if somebody try to post anything, if those posts have these kind of words, then definitely I will get an alert on this. Not only me, all the moderators of this group will get this kind of alert. You can see that. So this group has lots of moderators. You can see that list of admins and moderators. So we have a huge list of around 22 moderators are there. So whenever we will get a post with this kind of words, all of the admins and moderators will receive an alert that okay, somebody post a promotional post. Then we can manually review that particular post and we can either approve it or reject it. So this is one way you can set up something automated so that you can keep a track of the spam activities in a Facebook group. If you find this video useful, then please like this video and also share this video. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, because I upload useful videos related to blogging and WordPress. And also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload my next video, you get the notification immediately. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.